Hello friends, in this video we will show you the complete installation process of Laravel. So just let's start. Firstly, download a composer in your system. So if you don't have a composer in your system, then you can visit on composer.org website, composer.org, and download your composer and just install. It's a basic software which are required. Sorry, URL was yeah, sorry, it's a getcomposer.org. Just download from here. Just get on and click on this download. Just click here, composer setup.exe. So after the download process will complete, just click on the exe file and install it. Press yes. Check it developer mode. Just press next, next, next. In my case, composer is already available, so I don't need to install it properly. So just press next, press next, and next. Now to check that composer is installed in your system or not, just press Control Window R and type here CMD and just type here composer COMPOSER. So in So now we'll see the composer showing. That means composer installation process has been done successfully. Okay, so now let's move on the official website of Laravel. The latest version of Laravel currently is 6.0. So we will also explain on 6.0. So basically, this is a documentation of official website of Laravel. Just get on here. You will see an installation process. What is the requirements in your system? Your PHP version should be 7.0 or greater than 7.0, and then these all are things already in your system already. So not need to worry. Just get on, and here you will see a command. If you want to install a Laravel in your system, there are two methods. First is by composer, and another one is this via Laravel installer, and another is composer. So just copy it, this command, composer, and create composer, then double dash, preferred distinct directory, and Laravel. So these all text is mandatory. So just let me just copy, Control C, and now open your my computer. Just press Window plus E and click on drive where you have installed XAMPP or wampp. So in my case, in my system,